tell you what, one of the best purchases I've ever made for an RC car.
They are great.
Whether it's for the crawler or for my EXB, I mean that's got lots and lots of upgrades on it. Guys, we are back at the old John Tower, and it's a big ass tower. Wait, put your car back there, I'm doing my intro. Right guys, so we are back at the old John. As you can see, our lights are blaring. It is dusk, it is getting night time, so we was like, yes, we'll come out for an evening crawl, as we both got lights, and I've got a big lamp under my body, so it lights up all my car. Look, there you go, well bright. So yeah, so I'm back down here now with Flipside. We are going to go for an evening / night crawl with the two FTXs. We've got the Gladius and we've got the Centaur. So let's see how they both compare on the rocks. So without further ado, let's go. Right guys, so Steve is up first. Look at them rear lights, look. Proper scale looking, that one. Oh, she's hooked up a little bit. A little bit of power would be nice. There you go. Alright, well Steve just rocks off the end of there. Let's bring up the Gladius. Guys, if you do get blinded by the lights, I do apologise, these are very bright. But the purpose of a night crawl is to have bright lights so you can see where you're going. Alright guys, Steve's about to try a line. This car I got it up before when we brought it out with the Exo, so he's now going to try and go down it, but I think it's going to be a mistake. I think it's going to just drop. All depends how good the drag brake is. We know the tyres are pretty good now it's got some WD on it. But there she's going down. Alright, where's that drag brake? These rocks are slippery as well, let me tell you. She's doing it. She is doing it. Oh, oh no! Oh, look at that. Well, she's down anyway.
Let's just try from the top of it one time. Just for good.
Turn into it. He's gonna go. Oh, look. Oh, go on. Yeah, she made it. She made it. Alright. Let's get the FTX up here. I'm hoping that Fusion motor drag brake holds it nicely. It's got to get that.
The only thing is that dip in there, that dip in the side of the rock.
God, look at that drag brake, look. Oh, I'm slowly touching the accelerator just to get it moving, because if I don't, look, it just locks up dead tight. So just slowly creep it down.
You got it on full bore, haven't you?
Yeah. Yeah, boy.
I've got a Fusion, but it's in the other car.
Oh my god, how freaking slow and control was that?
And now we're saying, oh, we ain't coming down this.
No, I didn't think we'd get down there. But guys, both trucks made it. I must admit though, the Gladius did do it better. I'm not gonna lie. I'm taking one for that.
That done me, that lump. If I'd come down there straight away,
yeah,
it'd probably been alright.
Yeah, that's got a couple of dips in there though, isn't it? Gonna bank on that corner. I'm going to try and creep across this bit here. Oh, I thought I was going to tip them. What did you do? Where's the centaur going? No tip. That's the only problem though. One, you can't really see the lines unless the lights are on it.
Yeah.
And two, you can't see where you're stepping either.
No.
Alright. I'm going to come literally just straight. Just need that front wheel just to drop just a little bit. There we go. Whoop. And I'm down. In a fashion, but I'm down.
I can't even see where
That's it. I went literally left there. So come straight forward a little bit. That's it. Now left. Oh, oh. And you're down. Can we get back up though? That's the question. Go on, go on, go on, go on. Oh, look at the Gladius.
I want to come down again. I want to clean a line. There's got to be a. If we turn there, have a little turn there.
Right,
Really hard to see, guys.
It is so hard.
We're just literally winging it.
The cameras don't really do it justice because the cameras make it look lighter, but actually it is getting quite dark. Whoop! Sorry, just mounted the back of you there.
No, I was trying to bum there. Here we go. Let's go for a different line. Let's go round the outside here.
Go on, wherever you go, I'll follow you.
Probably gonna be worse.
My steering. I need to up the voltage on that servo. I need to get it to 7.4. Oh guys, how scared does that look coming down there and rocks with the lights on? Oh, lucky. So the Gladius is still creeping slowly. Oh, look at that droop on that suspension.
Is the Gladius going to do it?
Ah, this is a point where I got stuck before, remember? Literally this part now where I'm stuck. Oh, I saved it!
Squeezed yourself into a nicer line, look at that.
Look at that, saved it. I'll take that, Gladius for the win on that one. Right guys, let's go for this line.
The lights are actually quite good, aren't they?
Yeah, the lights are really bright. Although I've nicked the lights off my Smarter, which are the big bright ones on my bonnet, which I think has helped me massively because they're so bright. Look, it's even lighting up the path for you.
Cheers, mate.
How did you see that?
I don't know.
What am I stuck on? I can't even see what I'm stuck on. There we go, look, she's up.
You know what, I'm in second gear.
Hey,
All that time.
so Steve, I'll overtake you, no problem. I'm going to try and come down this way. Oh. Like that, super smooth. This is a line we normally take where it struggles, but we thought we'll give it a go in the dark. We got our lights on, so why not? Can't really see what we're doing, but hey ho.
Let me step back.
Oh, you're still rolling slightly. Alright guys, this is normally where we get stuck going up, but at the moment we're coming down. Centaur's made it look easy. Come on, Gladius.
I can't actually see anything.
Do it for Team FTX. Go on, creep it down. Got to get over that sharp rock with the portals, like that.
On down.
Gladius is coming, nice and smoothly. Oh, look at that, just light up the road in front of me, look. In that case, I can go a bit quicker. Whee! Yeah, and she's down, boys. Right, guys, I'm pretty sure the reason why Steve wants me to go behind him so I can light up the path for him. But again, this is one of the lines we normally come up. If you remember, they got very, very slippery rocks. But Steve is going first. So far, he's doing well.
Feet ain't.
No, it is very sharp up here. I was trying to get in front of him so I can see his headlights. How epic is that little bit of lights? I'm pretty sure the camera don't do it justice, but to look at it in real time, it looks so scaled. There you go. One last little bit, there you go, and the Centaur is up, boys and girls. Alright guys, Gladius' turn. The Centaur can do it, the Gladius has to, surely. But also, while we're crawling up these rocks, we need to make sure that we are careful where we're standing, because if we slip, one, you're going to end up breaking something.
We've definitely not got the right foot there.
No, both wearing stupidly thin light trainers. Gladius is doing well so far.
Yeah. I got hot tips in there earlier. We've got the 4 tools in.
Yeah. Get stuck in that bit, can't it? There we go. And Gladius is up, boys and girls.
I can't see absolutely nothing, guys. I'm winging this.
Yeah, guys, you probably just heard Steve there. We can't see absolutely nothing. All we can see is headlights, and that's it.
You can sort of see the lines here.
So we are literally just trying to wing the lines, and as I'm getting blinded by my own truck. So hopefully if I come down behind Steve, I can kind of light the way for him.
Let's move back, guys.
So, because my lights are obviously a lot brighter than Steve, so hopefully I can guide him down.
Right.
But Steve just moved position, that's why we're stationary. That's it. So now let's just creep down. I'll tell you what, Steve, I hope this video comes out as well as it looks here, because it looks epic. Oh, nearly fell. Nearly fell down the rocks. That's it, keep going, keep going. There you go. I can't believe I've lost the headlight. Oh, come on, grip and get up. Look at that fusion mode, look, just turning me around there. I tell you what, one of the best purchases I've ever made for an RC car.
They are great.
Whether it's for the crawler or for my EXB, I mean that's got lots and lots of upgrades on it. And guys, they're down, they made it.
Sweet.
Whoop, I nearly fell down.
I'm gonna do a call off, mate.
Yeah. Alright guys, we are both just about to call it a night. So we have had a very, very good time actually in the dark. You know, it's better than we expected it to be. But as you can probably tell now that you look out, you can't see nothing. So we need the trucks to try and guide us home now, to get us back to the cars. But again guys, Steve's channel will be in the description box below. Please like, share, subscribe to both channels. And guys, from the both of us and the two FTXs, we're out.